So I get the opportunity to play some AD&D 2nd edition today, and I thought I'd just roll some stats and see where we go. We're going to do 4d6, drop the lowest, and then assign them wherever. I believe this is method 4 or 5 in the 2nd edition Player's Handbook. So here we go. All right, we have 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's write in pencil. Make it permanent. 5, 9, 10, 11, 12 again. 8, 9, 10, 11. Pick them up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There we are. We wrote amazing. Oops, I wrote a 12. I'm going to fix that. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. I guess 13, and this is actually 11. Let's see, the last one. Oh, all right. To 15. So there we are. 12, 12, 11, 11, 13, 15. Not too shabby.